Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss about class 8 general knowledge part 6. The famous monuments of the world. First, there are so many monuments in the world are famous, but here discuss about some important. So first, Buckingham's palace was built from whom? Buckingham's palace was built for whom? Answer is Dukes of Buckingham. Duke of Buckingham. Question number second. Lhasa in Tibet is famous for Patola Palace at true or false? Lhasa in Tibet is famous for Patola Palace. This statement is true or false? Answer is true. Question number third. For which Egyptians pharaoh they built the Great Pyramid Giza? The name of great Egyptian Pharaoh Khufu. Pharaoh Khufu built Pyramid Giza. Question number 4. Where are the Vance boats of Caracalla? The answer is Rome. Rome are the Vance boats of Caracalla. Question number 5. Which castle is model in the cartoon film Sleeping Beauty? Which castle is a model in the cartoon film Sleeping Beauty? Answer Germany. Question number 6. An Australian building has 4 theatres in it. Name it. An Australian building has 4 theatres. The name of Opera House. Answer is Opera House. Question number 7. For which monuments Gounod wrote the song "Go to sleep, my beauty, your flight is over, Isabel"? The name of this monument is Eiffel Tower. Question number 8. Where is Stone Age ancient stone monument? Southern England. Where is Stone Age ancient stone monument? Answer Southern England. Question number 9. Pagodas or towers linked to Buddhist temple, true or false? Pagodas or towers linked to Buddhist temple, true or false? This statement is true. Question number 10. It is situated in Paris. It was constructed by Napoleon to celebrate his victory. It is situated in Paris. It was constructed by Napoleon to celebrate his victory. Answer is Arc Triomphe. Arc Triomphe. Fashion around the world. Here are some important fashion designers. There are so many fashion designers in the world, but most important fashion designers in these pictures and name. First picture, Coco Chanel. The name of the fashion designer, Coco Chanel. Second pictures, Ritu Kumar. Third pictures, Ralph Lauren. Fourth pictures, Manish Malhotra. Fifth, Padma Lakshmi. Sixth, Rohit Bal. 7, Pierre Cardin. And 8th, Naomi Campbell. Naomi Campbell. All these are great fashion designers in the world. This is a biological weapon. Biological weapon, also known as germ warfare, is the use of biological toxins or infectious agents such as bacteria, virus, insects, and fungi with the intent to kill or incapacitate humans, animals, or plant as act of the war. Just like Corona now present times example of biological weapon, because Corona is also a virus. So here some important biological war. First, the use of biological agents along with bombs was the tactic used by Iraq to destroy its enemy. Means this tactics used by Iraq to destroy its enemy. Thus, Sled's force faced danger of biological warfare. The name of this Operation Deserts. Warfare name Operation Deserts. Question number 2. Salmonella typhi bacteria was added to the water of Earth during Israel military defense. Means they are mixed in water during Israel military defense. There was an outbreak of typhoid. Answer is Arab-Israel war in 1948. Arab-Israel war in 1948 had typhoid bacteria in water, and many people are died at that time by typhoid. Question number 3. During World War I, Chinese soldiers and civilians were infected with biological weapons by the name of this biological weapon, poisoning well. In World War II, Chinese soldiers and civilians were infected with this biological weapons. The name of this biological weapons, poisoning wells. Question number 4. Vietnamese guerrillas used infected Fury stick to cause infection after injury the enemy soldiers. Means in a Vietnam period, when Vietnam's soldiers was injured, they are infected by stick to causes infection. The name of this war, Vietnam War. Marvelous invention. Here some marvelous inventions which are very useful now in present time. So first question, alarm security bar. A barking protection system has been invented called an alarm security bar. No monitoring is required and it is no expensive either. Whenever the door's knob in touch or door is pushed, it set off under the slightest of pressure. It can be set a powerful siren or barking alarm system which produces the sound of a ferocious barking dog. Means this alarm security bar protect and invented by alarm security bar. There are no any need of monitoring and not a very expensive now. When ever the knob is touched or push, it already set a powerful sirens and barking alarm system. When you touch your door, then automatically they produce a siren, just like a ferocious barking dog, just like a dog is barking when you are see any strange. So as it is, when you are touch your door and try to open it, they are suddenly produce a sound. So this system is very beneficial to protect and inform to person. The name of this marvelous invention, alarm security bar. Second one is the flying alarm clock. When the alarm is strict, of the alarm will fly with the help of propellers and land at some random location in your room. This way you will be forced to get up to stop the alarm. This is quite useful for those who just start snoring after hearing the ordinary alarm by hitting the snooze button. Is it not amazing? But This one is the amazing invention. Flying alarm clock. When alarm is triggered, means this alarm is flying in your room, and when you set your time, then start ringing, and you cannot easy way to stop hitting the snoring button and close your alarm, because they are flying on your room, and only for some particular location you can only and stop. So it means this security flying alarm was very important now present times for those person start snoring after hearing the ordinary alarm. Question number third, environmental friendly car. Means environment friendly car. Now present time there is so many pollution through car, like noise, air pollution. So when you use such type of car, you can minimize the air pollution especially. Means designed by the students of University of South Australia, the True Concepts car is three-wheeled green machine. Means this car have three wheel only. It is fully electric and needs 1/5 of the energy used by conventional car. Means when you use a car, this car use only 1/5 energy of any car. It has 2 seats and maximum speed of 120 km per hour. It is used to be recharged after traveling 150 km. This car has 3 wheels and needs less parking space. It is environment friendly. You look here. Means environment friendly car is designed by University of South Australia, and this car use 1/5 of energy of another car, and the speed of this car maximum 120 km per hour, and it is to be recharged after traveling 150 km. So this car is very environment friendly car, and now after in the future these cars are very valuable and beneficial for human being. Hopefully you understand all these things in this video. Your homework, write in your copy and learn them. Thank you.